To make this project, you need a 4.5mm hook, 2 different shades of fluffy yarn, safety eyes, and some ribbon yarn or t-shirt yarn. With the t-shirt yarn, we'll be making a magic ring, and I make my magic rings by chaining 3 and then making a slip knot into the first chain. That's like the easiest way for me, so you could use any method of making a magic ring that works for you. So I just chained 3, but in this video I actually chained 4, so 3 or 4, either one works. And then I slip stitch into the first stitch. This is basically a magic circle. Then chain 1 and half double crochet 6 times into the circle. To make it half double crochet, you loop your yarn around your hook. Then you put your hook inside your magic circle and pull through. Then you loop your yarn around your hook again and pull through all 3 loops that are currently on your hook. This might be very tough because of the kind of yarn, so be really careful. If I was going too fast, I uploaded a bunch of videos explaining crochet stitches like half double crochet, single crochet, and much more. So yeah, you half double crochet 6 times into the magic circle. After the first row, we're going to make a slip stitch in the first stitch we started from. Basically just put your yarn into the stitch, then pull the yarn all the way through. Then you chain 1. Next, put 2 half double crochets in the next stitch. Continue putting 2 half double crochets in each stitch all the way through the row. At the end of the row, don't forget to make a slip stitch. So far, this is what mine looks like. It should just be a circle. So you chain 2. In this round, we're going to place 2 half double crochets in the first stitch. One double crochet in the next stitch. Then in the next stitch, we're going to place 2 half double crochets. Then in the next, 1 half double crochet. So we continue this pattern of 2 double crochet, then 1, then 2, then 1, all the way to the end of the row. And at the end of the row, don't forget to slip stitch and chain 2. Work only in the front stitch, so you could just pick any side and call that the front stitch, and then that's the only loop you should place your crochet in. So if it helps, you could tug on the loops like this so it's more visible and easier for you to put in your crochets. Continue this row by placing half double crochets only in the front stitch till the end of the row. At the end of the row, your crochet project should start to take shape. It should have edges and should look like a cup. And don't forget to slip stitch and chain one. Moving on, continue placing half double crochets all the way through this round. In between each row, don't forget to slip stitch and chain one before continuing. And continue that for the next 3 rounds. In total, you should have 5 rows going up. This is what your crochet project should look like so far. For the next part of this project, you'll need your fluffy yarn. First, chain 20. At the end of the row, skip the first stitch and place a half double crochet. Continue placing half double crochets until the end of the row. Next, you need to change color. With the new color, chain 1 and continue placing half double crochets along the row. Continue this pattern of exchanging the yarn color every row. You should have 4 rows in total. For the next part of this project, I used the modified bubble stitch. Start by rolling your yarn twice around your hook, then placing it into the hole and pulling through. You should have 4 loops on your hook. Then yarn over and pull through only 2 loops. Next, yarn over and place your hook back into the hole so you have a total of 5 loops on your hook. Next, yarn over and pull through 2. Then yarn over again and pull the yarn through the hole. You should have 6 loops on your hook. Then yarn over again and pull through 2. Finally, yarn over and pull through the remaining loops. Then make a slip stitch into the hole. And chain 1. Then repeat this process in every stitch till the end of the row. You can place a single crochet in between each bubble stitch if you'd like your Octoholder to have scantier tentacles. When you're finished, you should sew the ends of your Octoholder together. You could use a needle or your crochet. Now it's time to combine the two parts of this project together. I connected both parts of my Octoholder by placing a single crochet in between both the skin and the cup.